And we're back. Uh, Last time, on my video, we unboxed the new Nissan Z. Now, we're gonna be unboxing and it's very unusual onto the Hot Wheels lineup. We got an official Barbie vehicle. It's called Barbie Extra. There's so much details on this car. We're gonna more about this one in the back, which I'll be showing you guys right now. So Barbie Extra is made in California. And take a look at what it says. Grab your swimsuit and jump into this Barbie Extra dream car. Ride a top down in style and dip into the pool with those extra hot days. Yeah, this is a very special car. And it's a Hot Wheels and Barbie. I'm impressed by that one. Let's get a close up look and see what he did with this one. Man, look at all the work that it did on this one. Purple rims, the doors as actual wings, a pink interior, stars as headlights, and tail lights, and believe it or not, there's a Barbie Extra on the license plate as well. And there's more pink stars in the user. And look at this. And this part of Barbie Extra is pink too. So ladies, if you find this car, add this one into your Barbie collection. Because this one is going to be in a beautiful car to be added to a Barbie collection. If you're actually a Hot Wheels and a Barbie fan. Alright, you guys, that's it for this one. Tune in next time when we are on alright. Tune in next time when we unbox the third and final car in these unboxing series. Later, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.